So Nate, combination locks, one of the things that middle schoolers absolutely need to be able to do because you all have locks in your lockers, right?
Yeah.
This has always been complicated. How do you get it open? And sometimes you race to find sort of a way to get it open quickly. How quickly can you open your lock?
So I go always to 0, and then you go right, so then you go, and then you go left twice, and then you go
Back to the third number.
Yeah.
So when you go left twice, you skip the number once,
Oh,
and
yeah.
then you go to the number the second time. So for example,
I mean,
what is your combination number?
Mine is 1, 3, 13.
And what would mine be?
9,
23,
23,
17.
17.
All right, so I think I got it. You're an excellent teacher. So we start at 0.
Yeah.
It's locked. Is yours locked? Let's see. So we can have some friendly competition. All right. So on the count of 3, we're going to see who can open their lock faster.
Yeah.
How's that?
All right.
1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, Nate, I'm on it. I didn't get it yet. 9, 23, 30. That was awesome. That was really awesome. Give me a pound. That was good. All right. I can't lose to you, Nate. Let's try this one more time. How about that?
All right.
All right. So on the count of 3, we'll go again. So it's Hawkinson 1, Robert 0.
Yep.
Sounds about right?
Yeah.
Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go. Nate, I struggle in middle school, man, but you're amazing. Best of
Thanks.
luck to you. Yeah. So what are you excited about for next school year?
I'm excited to learn new things and see my friends.
Yeah. What did you
Yeah.
do this summer?
I went to a camp called Hope Heals and met kids with special needs, and it taught me how to respect and be kind and show that the differences, and that's what makes us special.
I love it. You know, it's one of the things, that's a camp that I believe that I and many other adults can also benefit from. We have really been challenged by the pandemic and COVID. And, you know, we are always very caring, but sometimes we can use some reminders about why it's important to just treat each other with empathy, show kindness. And that's what really makes all of us special, right? Regardless of our ages.
Yeah.
So you enjoy that camp?
Yeah.
Would you go back to that camp next year if you can?
Yeah.
That is awesome. That is awesome. So nice to meet you. So what grade are you going to be in next year?
I'm gonna be in 7th grade.
7th grade. So you're almost out of middle school. You're excited?
Yeah.
Can't wait to see you in class next year.
All right. What do you hope to teach people this year?
So similar to the experiences that you had when you visited and spent time at the summer camp, this year there are 3 things that I hope to teach people. But I would probably think I hope to remind them about, because I don't think the adults need to be taught. I think they all have it already, but I'm hoping that we can remind each other about it. 1, the importance of us being able to grow our empathy muscles. 2, to remind every single person that we are all in this together. COVID-19 and the pandemic is not going to last forever. And the 3rd thing is, I want to remind every single adult that we have some of the most amazing students in all of our schools, and the adults, our teachers, our staff, and leaders who serve them are phenomenal. So I want to be able to remind all the adults that we have the right group of students, and we certainly have the right group of adults. And together, we can get through this because of students like you.
Thanks.
Your sister Mabel. Mabel, would you like to join us?
Yes, please.
Thank you. So Mabel is also going to be at Millcreek Middle School with you.
Yes.
She's going to the 6th grade, Mabel.
Yep.
So you're in the 6th, your brother's in the 7th grade.
Yes.
Excited.
Yes.
Anything you would like to ask me, Mabel?
Yes. How did you got the job?
That's a great question. So the simple answer is, 1, I've always loved being in education. 2, attending several schools for a number of years and enjoying school. So like you told me earlier how much you like school, you enjoy using your iPad, because I fell in love with education and I stayed in school. I qualified myself, if you may, and then I got a chance to become an educator. And once I became an educator about 20 years ago, I've never left, and I've always enjoyed every single day.
That's nice.
Yeah, thank you for asking that question. No one ever asked me that question, at least not often enough, so I appreciate you asking that question.
Welcome.
So I'm wishing both of you the best of luck during the next school year as we plan to keep you safe and give you a great educational experience, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Awesome, thank you. All right,
Welcome.
take care, bye-bye.